go to grocery store to buy Olivia Sanford's and her milk as well. I'm gonna try to stay on my budget today, which is $80. Yes, mahirap yan i-budget pero try natin. You want snack? What? So, ito yung ating napamili. And let's see kung magkano siya. Bet ko over 100 siya. So, over budget tayo today. I did my best. Bang nasa parking lot kami. Kami na parking lot. Tumatawa ako. Tumatawa ko sa sarili ko kasi. Diba, sabi ko $80 lang yung budget ko. It turns out to be 170.